Hello students, our today's practical is related with blastula. In the lab, you will be given a prepared slide of transverse section of blastula and you have to observe it under the microscope and then find out the observation. So students, when you will put your slide under microscope, then you will observe this type of figure. So about blastula, at least we must have some knowledge. Students, immediately after fertilization, the egg undergoes repeated mitotic divisions, resulting in a multicellular structure which determines to form the adult body. But different stages which go in between this, that is when the repeated rapid fast divisions takes place in the zygote soon after fertilization. This we call cleavage. That is, soon after fertilization, the rapid divisions which takes place in the zygote, that we call cleavage. The cells which are produced as a result of cleavage in the fertilized eggs are termed as blastomeres. So after cleavage, a solid ball like embryo formed. That solid ball like embryo is known as morula. After this, a hollow ball of cells which is formed after a series of rapid mitotic divisions in zygote. That hollow ball is known as blastula. So blastula, it is a stage of many cells. The blastula of different animals show considerable differences in between them. So here we are discussing the blastula of frog. Students, we will discuss the experiment in different steps. So when you will reach in the lab, you will given the slide. Then first of all, you must know the objective of the experiment. Here the objective of the experiment is to study transverse section of blastula through permanent slides. After that, you will write down the requirements. So requirements for this experiment is permanent slide of blastula, microscope, and you must have a notebook to write down the observation. After that, you can write down the procedure, that how you are going to perform the experiment. So first of all, first point you can write as कि fix the permanent slide of blastula under microscope and focus under low power. Under low power, when you will observe, you will find the external figures, external features, and in order to study the internal features, then you should set the slide under high power microscope and then observe the detail of blastula. So students, after this you will write down the observations in steps. So the first observation which you can write, that it is a spherical mass of about 64 cells. It is a spherical mass of about 64 cells. Then it is composed of an outer envelope of cells, the trophoblasts or trophoectoderm, and the inner cell mass which we know as embryoblast. Now the next point you can write as that within the envelope there is a fluid filled cavity. This fluid filled cavity, it is known as blastocoel. This cavity is known as blastocoel. After that you can write down the next point, that the site of blastocysts to which the inner cell mass is attached is called the embryonic or animal pole, while the opposite side is the abembryonic pole. And the next point you can write as the inner cell mass is the precursor of the embryo. Students, this fluid filled cavity called blastocoel, it lies within this envelope. The side of blastocysts attached to the inner cell mass, that we call the embryonic pole, and the opposite side is called abembryonic pole. So this is the basic structure which you find when you observe it under the microscope. So students, you have to write down all the steps in your practical records.